Okay, so brand new Blender scene. X to get rid of that. Import wavefront object. And let's go in here to rocks. Right click on it, left click on it, make sure rocks OBJ is up here, and no image search. Okay, there's my starting out mesh. So what I want to do now is take this and look at it with right clicking and see there's two materials on here. I'm going to delete those materials out so it has no materials. Okay, then what I'll do is go over to the materials palette and make a new one. Now what I would do is hit tab and make sure A is on to highlight all faces, and go ahead and hit new. This I'm going to call the rock. Just like that. And let's go into shaders and make sure this is a blend I'm dealing with. And then let's go back over here, and you can see now the rock is attached to the material. That's important because a lot of times when you import a ZBrush mesh into Blender, it'll have so many goofy materials on there that you don't know what you're fighting. Now, let's go into the material. I think there's 5 maps, so I'm just going to go ahead and add 5 new spots in here. Okay. And I can name these if I wanted to right here. Let's say this is going to be my normal. This is going to be my color. This is going to be my occlusion. I just labeled that OCC. This is my weird one that I play with. And displacement, which really doesn't do anything as far as displacement goes, but it makes a nice specular map within the engine. Good. So there's no real-time displacement within the Blender game engine, sorry to say, but not many actual engines do have real-time displacement on them. Okay, now another thing, let's take it and go in here and set this object smooth. There, nice palette to work on. Okay, let's go back to our material, go back to our texture, and start importing these in. So now I'm looking for my normal map, which is located under images. It's going to be a normal map, so I highlight that and I load. Okay, there's that one. And I just repeat the process. Whoops. Weird is not in here. That's weird. There it is. I'll use my old one. It's called Cavity. It's the same map. Okay, here's displacement. Alright, there's all my maps. So now what I have to do, and I'm going to do this in the next video because it takes a little while, is taken and assign them all to UVs and show you what order they need to be in within the actual material.